Good morning, children. Exercise 10.4 of chapter 10, question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk each other. Find the length of a string of each phone. Okay, see, this is a circular park, and in this park Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distance. Okay, it means AS is equals to SD is equals to AD. Let Ankur, Syed and David be sitting at A, S and D point, A, S and D point. So AS is equals to AD is equals to X SD. So let us take it 2x. Okay, the length we are taking assuming 2x. Okay, so now ASD is a equilateral triangle. You can see triangle ASD is a equilateral triangle because all sides are equal. ASSD and AD, all sides are equal. So we can take this as equilateral triangle. And we know that OA and OS are radius, so length of this is 20 meter. Okay, so first of all we want to find the length AB. So for this we'll draw a perpendicular on SD. So AB is a perpendicular on SD. AB passes through O. Why it passes through O? Altitudes of equilateral triangles always passes through the circumcenter. This is the circumcenter of this triangle. This is a circle. This triangle is inscribed in this circle. So the circumcenter of this triangle is O, and altitude always passes through the circumcenter. So this is AB passes through O. SB is equals to half AD. SB is equals to half SD. SB, this is equilateral. This is a equilateral triangle, and we have learned all the properties of equilateral triangle in previous chapter triangles. So this altitude divides the opposite side. So SB will be half of SD. Okay, so it will be X meter. Now we'll take triangle ASB. In ASB, AS square is equals to SB square plus AB square. So AS we know that 2x square plus x square plus AB square. So we'll find AB square. So you can see that AB square is equals to 4x square minus x square. So AB square is equals to 3x square. So AB is equals to root 3x. Now we will find out what is OB. OB. Okay. So OB is equals to AB minus OA. OA we know that it is radius. OA is radius. So we can find OB now. Okay. OB is equals to AB minus OA. So AB is equals to root 3x. And OA is 20. So OB we will get root 3x minus 20 meters. Okay. Now we'll consider triangle OSB. In triangle OSB we have OS square. Again we are applying Pythagoras theorem, is equals to SB square plus OB square. So SB we know that it is x square, and OB is equals to root 3x minus 20 whole square. Okay, this we have to solve. So let us solve this. X square plus A minus B whole square identity we are applying here. So it will be 3x square plus 400 A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, so this will give us 4x square plus 400 minus 40 root 3x. Okay, so we can see here that OS is also radius. So we can write here value of this and we will get 400. So this 400 and this 400 cancelled. So here we'll get 40 root 3 x. So 4x square minus 40 root 3 x is equals to 0. So from here we can take out 4x common. So you can see that here we'll get x minus 10 root 3 will left only. Okay, matlab here we are getting this. So either we can say that 4x is equals to 0, or we can say that x minus 10 root 3 is equals to 0. If 4x is equals to 0, then it means x is equals to 0, or here if we equate, we can say that x is equals to 10 root 3. X cannot be 0 because x is a length, so it cannot be 0. So we are taking x is equals to 10 root 3. So SG, we know that SG is equals to 2x meter. So 2x meter. So 2 into x, value of x is 10 root 3. So it will be 20 root 3 meters. Here we have got SG is equals to 20 root 3 meter, and SG is equals to AD is equals to AS. That we have already taken. Now question 1 of exercise 10.5. In the figure, ABC are 3 points on circle with center O such that angle BOC is 30 degree and angle AOB is 60 degree. If D is a point on circle other than arc ABC, find ADC. We have to find this angle. Okay, so how can we find? See, whatever is given, that we will write first. Given is angle BOC is equals to 30 degree and angle AOB is equals to 60 degree. To find angle ADC. See, we are applying here theorem. See, what is the theorem? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of circle. That theorem we will apply here. Okay. So first of all, we will find angle AOC. This is an arc ABC. It is subtending AOC angle at the center, and at any part of circle is angle ADC. It means this theorem say that angle ADC will half of this angle AOC. Okay, so first of all we need to find angle AOC. So let us find angle AOC is equals to angle AOB plus angle BOC. Angle AOB is given 60 degree and BOC is given 30 degree. So angle AOC is equals to 90 degree. And according to theorem, angle AOC is equals to twice angle ADC. Okay. So this is 90 twice angle ADC. We need to find angle ADC. So ADC is equals to 90 by 2 and that is equals to 45 degree. Okay. So this question is done.